Hello and welcome to the Savify Discounts app tutorial series from KlinKode. Today we'll show you how to offer special discounts for first-time or new customers using the customer order count condition in the Savify Discounts app. Open the Savify Discounts app. Click the Create Discount button. You can choose from 3 discount types: order discount, product discount, and shipping discount. In this tutorial, we'll use the order discount type. Click on the Add a Condition button. From the list that appears, choose the Customer Order Count option. Now we'll select If Less Than, and we'll enter 1 in the field. This means the discount will be applied only when the customer's order count in the store is less than 1. Customer order count less than 1 means the customer didn't order before and is new to the store. Let's set a discount name. This name is for internal use only. Next, set your discount code. You can either create one manually, or you can click on the Generate option. You can also choose Automatic Discount. If you select this option, make sure to enter a discount message, and this message will be displayed on the checkout page. For this video, we will select the Automatic Discount method and set the discount message as, "Congratulations, you unlocked a deal for you." Then we will set the discount value for the order discount. We can choose either percentage or fixed amount. We will keep the percentage for discount type and put 30% for order discount. Here under Discount Applies to section, we can set the discount for all products or apply it to selected products only. In the Combination section, you can allow this discount to be combined with other product, order, or shipping discounts, so customers can use multiple offers at the same time in a single order. To make this tutorial simple, we will keep the all default option as they are. Now let's click on the Save button to create this discount rule. That's it, your discount is live now. Let's go to the checkout page and test it out. As expected, we received a 30% discount on the order amount since the account I tested with, support@klinkode.com, hasn't placed an order on this store before. I hope this is clear. If you have any questions or need help, feel free to reach out via live chat or visit our contact page. You'll find both email and WhatsApp support options there. Thanks for using the Savify Discounts app. Happy selling!